Hi, Brian here. This is a quick lesson on the ACCA paper F5 Material Price Variances. This video will be focusing on the theory of the operational variances. So first, let's talk about the main concept of material price variance. Price variances are used to evaluate the performance of the purchasing function because they are responsible for buying materials, so we use price variances to see whether they're doing a good job or not. Now in the paper F5, we can split material price variances into two parts. The first part is planning, and the second part would be operational. Now planning is related to budgets. That means you might have one or more revisions of the budget. So we're talking about budgets. Operational means the difference between a budget and actual performance. That means we are going to see whether the manager or the function has actually achieved what it was planning to do. So this one has an actual element in it. So now let's talk about material price operational variances. This is the difference between the revised budget or the latest version of the budget and the actual price which you are paying. So in this case, it is controllable by the purchase function. Therefore, it should be used to evaluate its performance. The main reasons for a material price operational variance is that it's affected by purchasing function decisions. That means now what they do when they do their purchasing function, it affects the material price operational variance. So some of the causes of the operational variance would be, first of all, the selection of a cheaper supplier. If the purchasing function has the capability, they can choose between cheaper suppliers, and choosing a cheaper supplier will lead to a favorable operational variance. Secondly, it was also affected by negotiation. If the purchasing function successfully negotiates a lower price for a certain standard of material, that will lead to a favorable operational variance. On the other hand, if purchasing function was not effective in their negotiations, then your variance will now be a bit adverse. Thank you for watching. Please choose a video to continue the lesson on material price variances.